As Zimbabwe's tenure is rotating Sadc chair draws to close, questions are growing louder about what kind of legacy ZANU-PF is leaving behind. Instead of exporting democratic best practices across the region, the ruling party appears to be spreading something far more dangerous, a playbook of electoral malpractice. Sanapita mashoko ari kuda panguva ino ari kuanalyzwa achinzi why ZANU-PF's electoral doctrine is spreading across sub-Sahara Africa. Subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina pana pamchenjere domdanyora chiti. From Namibia to Kenya, Malawi to Tanzania, ZANU-PF aligned actors, often politically connected tenderpreneurs, are appearing in high places, cutting deals and supplying election materials. One name stands out, Wikino Chivayo, linked to shady procurement deals in Zimbabwe. Chivayo is now regularly seen in the corridors of power across the continent, meeting heads of states like a shadow envoy. Many Zimbabweans are asking, is he acting on behalf of President Mnangagwa to push ZANU-PF's influence in Sadc? Recent reports suggested that companies linked to him are supplying election materials in multiple countries. The irony, these are the same countries looking to Zimbabwe for electoral assistance, despite the Sadc Observer Mission deeming 2023 report on Zimbabwe's elections. The danger is clear. If Sadc governments start adopting ZANU-PF's tactics, ballot stuffing, delayed material, and bogus voter rolls, then democratic norms across the region will crumble. ZANU-PF may have failed to exert influence in Zambia, Botswana, and South Africa, but its determination to become the kingmaker in regional politics persists. For many Zimbabweans scattered across the region due to economic collapse and the repression at home, the rise of ZANU-PF style politics elsewhere is a nightmare. To the citizens of Sadc, the warning is clear. Don't let Zimbabwe's past become your future. As the saying goes, don't let Zimbabweans say, we told you so. Tomasvika ari kuda panguva ino pari kunyasa kuonekwa kunzi aiwa influence yaWikino Chivayo panguva ino vanhu vachikweshena kuti aiwa ari kufambisa influence yemutungamiri wenyika yeMozambique Mnangagwa here kana yeZANU-PF. Apa ari kuonekwa kunzi the electoral doctrine iri kuspread across aiwa sub-Sahara Africa. Uchiona nyika dzakaita sana Namibia nana Kenya, vana Malawi nana Tanzania, they are adopting the same strategy iri kushandiswa neZANU-PF kuriga ma-elections. Pinda comment section menu dzamafunguro enyu muri kudiwa pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell.